Should you be worried about a recession right now, right? I mean, what's happening in the markets? People always say we're in uncertain times, but we're always in uncertain times. The market, by definition, is uncertain. In this video, I want to give you just a quick opinion on what I think about the market. As a quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I'm just a person that has been investing for a very long time. And two of my biggest hobbies are mathematics and finance, hence all the books behind me. Okay, so I'm gonna pull up a chart here, just a very basic chart, so you can see what's happening, and so I can talk about what I think is going to happen here in the markets. So this is just a free chart I got from stockcharts.com, and I have a weekly chart of SPY, SPY. These are the spiders. This is the most popular ETF in my opinion, that tracks the S&P 500, which is like a barometer for the market. And if you look down over here, this is when we had that COVID panic back in 2020, when the Dow was like, I think it hit like 15,000 and change or something, 16,000. Pretty sure it was 15 and change. Pretty nuts. And then you see here, it's been like this slow climb up. And now it started to regress a little bit. And you could use technical analysis here. You could do like a fib retracement, and you could probably see that it's retraced, or it's at some fib line, or perhaps it just broke some fib line. But that's information everyone knows. I mean, unless you're trying to like time precise movements here, that's a different story. This video is more about a long-term look. What's going to happen next year? What's going to happen 2 years from now? Should you buy for the long run now, or should you wait for prices to recede more? So I'm thinking, this is just my opinion. You see this red line here. This line here, this is one of the moving averages. I believe this is the 200-day. And so if it hits that 200-day, it might break it, it might not, but I feel like it's being magnetized towards that level. So it would not surprise me if it receded more and it hit that 200-day moving average, and it just kind of like hovered there for a while, maybe even breaks it. Maybe it'll even retest these lows down over here on the bottom left. In any case, it's not the end of the world, right? Because it's going to go back up. So I am not too concerned about the market behavior. I'm actually not afraid at all. I think we're still in an uptrend. If you look at a longer term chart, you'll see that we're still like in a very big bull market. Things are still pretty positive. In fact, I'm going to try to find a chart here just to show you what I mean. Let me just maximize this again, and just to give you a really good opinion on what I think the state of the markets today are. So let me just find another chart here. I'm just going to go to Google and find the chart of the spiders and see if I can find a bigger chart here for you. Yeah, here we go. So I'm going to pull this up here so you can see it. Let me just show it to you here. Okay, so here we go. We're on Google. I just typed in SPY and I clicked on Max here. You see I clicked Max, and you can see the chart. So this goes all the way back to 1993. That's a long time ago. That's the year Kurt Cobain died, right? So look at that, $44. And you see we're still in an uptrend, right? We're clearly things are going up. So yes, it could recede much more. There you see that 2020 low again, right there. Yeah, May 1 maybe, or no, May. My cursor's a little bit off. Anyways, sometime in April or May, that's when we had that low around that area there where you see my cursor, and then it went up, and it's just receding. It's a normal, in my opinion, it's a normal pullback. So I think the market's going to keep going up. People talk about inflation being a negative thing. They say, oh, inflation, it's going to hurt the markets. Oh, rising rates, it's going to hurt the markets. The fact is, people have money, right? I mean, look at housing prices. People have money, and they have to put their money somewhere. And the scariest place for many people to put their money is the market. And the market, I think, is where it's at. So I think in the long run, markets will continue to climb. That's my opinion as of today. Today is June 14th, 2022. So if the market collapses tomorrow, if it collapses a month from now, then you can say I'm wrong. But what I'm saying is, in the long run, I think, the markets in the U.S., I think things are going to continue to go up. The U.S. is a great country. It's had a great economy for years. I think things are going to keep going up. I think it's all good. It really is. So if you like this video, tune in, subscribe. I'm going to try to make more videos on the market. I am a math and finance guy, And here I am to give you my take on the markets. So stay cool, stay invested. If it goes down, I'm personally going to be buying more. It's just my opinion. Whenever I have some money, I'm just going to put it in, write it out. Are we in a recession? We're technically in a bear market, according to the media yesterday, right? We're in a bear market now. But, you know, in the long run, I think it's going to be okay. I was around for 2009, 2008. I was investing then, and I know what it's like. And it's going to be all right. Just stick it out. I don't think it's going to go to zero. Good luck. Take care.